Hey there. So in this video, I'm going to take you to two websites where you can go and practice naming the notes. And what's good about this is if you're somebody for whom this is brand new information, then I can show you how to tailor your practice so that you get better at what you've learned today. Now, if you're somebody who's been playing the piano since you were 4, then you probably don't need to spend a lot of time reviewing the lines and spaces that are actually on the staff. But I'm going to show you some ways that you can make your practice more useful to you at the level that you are right now. So this is musictheory.net, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on note identification. So then you're going to go over here to this little wheel and go to settings, because there's some things that we need to set up. First of all, if you're just doing the lesson for today, then you do need to work on treble clef. But if you know some other clefs, you can work in some of these others. But for right now, we just need the treble clef. You can increase the range of notes that you can figure out, but if this is new for you today, this is the range I would like for you to select. Then, when you go to positions, we only need lines and spaces. If you wanted to work on the lines only or the spaces only, you could do that. Key signature, we just want it to be set at 1. Note names, we want letters. Helpers, you can turn the helpers off. But if you need the helpers, you can use them. Then we don't want any accidentals. And let's see, there was somewhere where I went where I got to pick which, note filter. So if I go to the note filter, it gives me a lot of choices. But there's some of these notes that I don't need. So let me just tell you quickly that you don't need these flats. Unless you've been playing the piano for a while, then you probably do. And you don't need the sharps. We haven't talked about those in music class. So what you want is all of these blue dots here in the middle. And then when you click back over here, you should find the way you set it off. I had taken off the helpers, and I only need these notes. Now, if I really wanted a challenge, I could turn on the challenge mode and I could have a time limit. But I'm not going to do that right now, because here's what's going to happen. When I start, it's going to tell me how many I got right and my percentage. So this is a space, and it's on the second space. I can go F-A, and then I click on A. Ta-da, it's green, I got it right. And right away, it gives me the next note. No problem. Now, if my sound were turned on, it would actually play the note out loud for me. But since I'm making this video, it's not going to do that. Uh-oh, I missed one. It's very clear when I miss it, and so now it's going to give me a second chance. All right, so that's how this website works. But let me show you one more. If that seems a little difficult for you, then you can go to Music Play Online, and then watch this. You're going to click on Note Name Memory. You can work on just the spaces, you can work on just the lines, you can work on the notes of the staff. Let's show you level 1. So now you've got all these notes and you have to match them to the letter. So see, that's a good way to practice, because some of you, this is brand new information. So we want F on a line and A on the second space and F on a space. So that's it. You can play again. You can tell me how many points you get if you want to. That's it. So that's where you can go and practice. Have fun.